In this nxtblog AI review, we're diving deep into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this freshly launched AI software. If you've been on the hunt for the latest and greatest in AI tools, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, because we'll cover features, pricing, and everything in between. All in this concise review to help you decide if nxtblog AI is worth your time. First up, nxtblog AI is all about simplifying content creation. If you're someone who's been struggling to keep up with content demands or manage blogs effectively, nxtblog AI can save you tons of time. It automates content writing, helping you generate blogs, articles, and even social media posts in a fraction of the time it'd take to write manually. This means you can focus on more critical tasks while still maintaining a solid online presence. One thing I want to emphasize here is its ability to create high-quality content that feels natural. It's designed with digital marketers and content creators in mind, and the AI model is trained to write in various tones, so whether you're looking for something professional or conversational, it has you covered. This is huge for anyone trying to maintain a consistent brand voice across platforms. But here's where nxtblog AI stands out from other content creation tools. It's not just a writer, it's a comprehensive tool for boosting your SEO. The software comes with built-in optimization tools that analyze your content and suggest improvements for better rankings. You'll get keyword recommendations, readability analysis, and a full breakdown of what's working and what isn't, making it ideal for marketers who want to boost their organic search traffic. Let's talk about the ease of use. Even if you're new to AI software or don't consider yourself tech-savvy, nxtblog AI is incredibly intuitive. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is often a pain point for new users with other AI tools. Everything is laid out clearly, and you don't need to be a coding expert to get started. Now, pricing. nxtblog AI offers a competitive pricing structure for what you get in return. You can try it out completely free from the link below, and if you like what you see, there are affordable subscription options that scale based on your needs. Considering the power of the tool, this is an excellent deal, especially for small businesses or solo content creators looking to save time and effort. Another standout feature is its integration capabilities. Whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or other content management platforms, nxtblog AI integrates seamlessly. This makes it perfect for those looking to streamline their workflows and keep everything in one place. If you're someone who works with a team, nxtblog AI also supports collaboration. You can share drafts, provide feedback, and work together to refine the content. This can be a game changer for agencies or businesses with multiple content creators who need to stay on the same page. Finally, I can't overlook its ability to handle multiple languages. If you're aiming to expand globally, nxtblog AI supports content generation in several languages, so you can create localized content without needing a separate tool for translation. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one content creation and SEO optimization tool, nxtblog AI is worth considering. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or blogger, this tool has everything you need to step up your content game and save time in the process. I've reviewed thousands of AI tools, and nxtblog AI definitely stands out in terms of its efficiency and ease of use. You can check out my recommended AI tools in the description below, and remember, nxtblog AI is available for you to try for free using the link right below this video. Don't miss out on this powerful tool to level up your digital marketing strategy.